po kung saan is yung pagtatrabuhan ko is where I can grow and be of service. These turns into weeks just when I started to lose hope. My prayers were answered. Nung sinabihan po ako ng tito ko na sa Adventist may mga negotiate din po doon ng mga financial na taga-WPU din.
Ayun na oh.
Then, this time, my prayers were included, not just myself, but also my friends who were actually po ilagay, please. Gamitin niyo po ako where I can also be a blessing to others. At AHP, pag-environment with the involved experiences, it was clear that we were placed exactly where we meant to
Hindi
be.
man to kung
The connection we made and the skills we acquired felt like blessings bestow upon us.
Bagay.